Good morning. Welcome to the Transnational Hotel. What can I do for you?
Good morning. My name is Tom Sanders. I have a reservation for a single room for 3 nights.
All right, Mr. Sanders, let me pull up your reservation.
Hello, good morning students. How are you today? I hope you all fine. Today, we are going to learn again about the topic filling out the form. On the previous meeting, we have learned about the definition of the form and we have learned about how to fill out our biodata or our personal information in the form. Today, we are going to focus about how to fill out the form that used especially in the hotel. It is called reservation form. What is reservation form? Reservation form is, this is the example of reservation form. Reservation form, it is a kind of form that used in the hotel in order to reserve a room in the hotel. On the following video, we are going to watch a video that contains about how to fill out registration form, especially reservation form in the hotel. There are 2 people do the dialogue. The first as the receptionist and the second one as the guest. Let's watch the video.
Good morning. Welcome to Samanda Hotel. What can I do for you, sir?
Good morning. We'd like to book a room.
Yes. Have you made a reservation before?
No, not yet. Not yet.
Oh, well. When will be your arrival time?
We will arrive on the 11th of next month. Will be September.
Right. Let me check. How long will you be staying?
For 3 nights. That's 3 nights.
For 3 nights. But wait a moment. We will check for the reservation.
Okay.
Moment, please.
Okay, no problem.
Oh, well, sir. You have got a reservation on 11th of November for...
No, not November. It's September.
September.
Next month. Yeah.
So 11th of September next month for 3 days.
For 3 days, yeah. 3 nights.
All right. I think the rooms is available for you. For how many rooms will you?
Just one room, double room. We need a double room.
A double room.
Yeah. And one more thing, we need a room with view of the sea, if it is possible.
Let me check. Well, a room with sea view is available for you. You're lucky, sir.
Oh, good. So, because we are honeymooners, you know. So, we'll spend the honeymoon here for 3 nights.
Congratulations for you. I hope that you will enjoy it. So, by the way, so the double room with sea view is about 1,500,000 rupees. It includes breakfast and taxi service as well. Can it be all right? 1,500,000 per month.
That's Indonesian rupiah, right?
Indonesian rupiah.
Can I pay by credit card or MasterCard?
Oh, that's fine.
That's fine.
So may I have your card number?
Pardon me?
May I have your identity?
Okay, I'll show you my identity card. You can check. So, my identity. Have you got my identity card or what we call
okay? Let's check your name.
Oh, my name.
May I have
Okay.
your name, please?
My name is Swastika.
Swastika.
So Mr. and Mrs. Swastika. And that is S-U...
How do you spell it?
S-U...
Okay.
A-S-T-I-K and A.
Okay. May I have your telephone number?
My mobile number, right?
Your mobile number.
Right. It's 081
081
55
55
8
8
068
068
295.
295.
Okay, that's right.
Any other request for you?
It's included already with the breakfast already included.
Yes, of course.
And then with the nice view of the sea.
Yes, it also includes tax and service.
Oh, tax and service. So just only 5,500,000 Indonesian rupiah.
1,500,000 per night.
Is that okay for you, Dean? No problem? Okay, no problem. So we'll be staying for 3 nights.
Alright, before that, let me confirm your reservation.
Okay.
So, you will arrive next month, like on the date of 11th of September.
Okay, that's right.
For 3 nights.
3 nights, yeah, that's
Is that
right.
alright? And the room type is a double room.
Yes, that's
Is that alright? And the room rate is 1,500,000 rupees per night. It includes a complimentary breakfast and tax and service as well.
Okay, that's it.
And your method of payment is using
Okay,
the
the card.
credit card.
Yeah.
And later we'll have your imprint of your credit card.
Yeah, we will.
And your name is Mr. Swastika Sarah Whiskey Alpha Sarah Tango India Tango Alpha. Is that alright?
Oh, that's right.
And your telephone number is 081 55806 8295.
That's right.
Is that alright?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, thank you very much for your presentation. We are looking forward to meeting you next on September 11th.
That's right. That's fine.
See you.
Okay, thank you.
Bye.
And see you next month.
Okay, have a nice day.
Yeah, bye. Come on, dear.
Okay, student, have you watched the video? If yes, what have you learned about the video? Yeah, the video tells about how to fill out reservation form. Reservation form, it is a kind of form that used in the hotel in order to reserve a room. Okay, in order to reserve a room or to fill out reservation form, we have to use some language expression. Here you are, I'll show you what kind of the language expression that used during filling out the reservation form.
Hello, is this the Parkland Residency?
Yes, I am Hans. How may I help you?
I'd like to book a room for tomorrow.
For how many people?
Just me.
Okay, sir. What's your complete name, please?
Rolf Hughes. What is the total cost?
That would be $120 per night.
No problem. Book the room for 1 night, please.
Sure. May I know your cell phone number?
Yes, it's 345-344.
Thank you. How would you like to pay?
I can pay through credit card.
Okay. I will call you back in about 10 minutes to confirm your booking.
Thank you very much.
Well, student, that's all we have learned today about how to fill out reservation form. I hope you understand and can practice the lessons in your life. Thank you for your attention and see you bye.